One, two.
Anong meron? Bakit ka nagpagwapo?
One, two, three, smile.
Didi na, doy na, kita na.
One, two, three, smile. One, two, three, smile. One, two. One, two, three, smile. One, two, three, smile. One, two, three. Again, let's press. Wow! My God! Yes!
Sabaw is real.
Sabaw. Oh my God!
Nahigo na dyan kang sabaw na.
Yan na.
Ay, ate man.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. So for today's video, actually matagal na tong video na to. It was last year, Valentine's Day. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click like and subscribe and share it to your friends if you would like. Thank you so much for dropping by, and thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. Shout out to my silent viewers. Shout out to my silent viewers, to my bashers, to my friends, and to my genuine friends on YT channel. So guys, this video, and so for this video, I still remember what's happening on that day. But I could say that it was the worst Valentine's Day that I ever had. It is because that time it was devastated for me, because feeling ko na yun yung time na feeling ko na pinagkaisahan ako ng lahat. Yung feeling ko na kahit wala naman akong ginawang masama, pero bakit parang ang sama ng loob nila sa akin. So ito yung time na hindi ko makakalimutan sa buong buhay ko. I was being betrayed. I was being like, para bang kung anong tawag nito, parang tawag nito yung ginawa ko na parang hindi ko makakalimutan to sa buong buhay ko, yung nangyari sa panahong yan. So kung ano man yun, sa akin na lang yun. So but still, I thank God. Yes, I thank God for everything happens for a reason, na masasabi ko na talagang may mga taong hindi magandang impluwensya sa'yo, at masasabi ko na ako ay pinoprotektahan ni God kahit yun ay nangyari ang mga yun. Pero I could say na God is so good to me kasi um, um, yung connection mo sa mga tao na hindi totoo sa'yo, yung mga connection sa mga tao na fake sa'yo, yung mga taong hindi magandang impluensya sa'yo, ay tinanggal niya sa buhay ko. And for me, nasasabi ko ngayon yan na it was really a protection from God. Kasi kung hindi yun nangyayari, still, kasama pa rin nila ako. And then, maybe the worst thing happened. But I thank God kay binibigyan ako ng warning ni God. So, yeah, I am so thankful to God for everything what happens. Kung mag-look back ko sa mga pangyaring iyon, masasabi ko nga, that day, of course, we are just human beings. So, maka-feel ka og humiliation, na parang, na betrayal, na parang ganun na ba talaga ako kasama? Na ganyan, na pinag-aisahan ako. Pero, now, looking back, parang masasabi ko nga, wow, it was really protection pala and redirection sa buhay ko na binigay ni God, na masasabi ko nga it's learning experience also for me, kasi yung bang may mga tao talaga na hindi magandang impluwensya sa'yo at tatanggalin talaga yan ni God. So I am so happy na kung ano man ang nangyayari noon, at I am so happy na I am glad na masasabi ko na I don't need them actually. Hindi sila kawalan sa akin kung hindi nila ako gusto. So, yan. It's okay if I only have one or maybe zero friend. Hindi naman yan basihan. It's not a definition of who you are. So, it's okay kung wala akong friendship masyado. It's okay for me. So now, I am so thankful, and masasabi ko na life is really uncertain. So, yun, I am very much careful now, and I am very much happy because nakapag na ako ng tawag nito, parang may masasabi ko na na-forgive ko ang sarili ko, at dahil na-forgive ko ang sarili ko, na-forgive ko na din sila. Parang hinayaan ko na, Lord, I forgive them. At thank you kay there is happiness, and when there is forgiveness, there is a joy, a great joy in your heart. So I thank God for everything happens in my life. It's not the end of the life, it's not the end of the world. So move on and make your life beautiful again.
Bada, sige na pagkuhan ka mo, Bing. Pag sore. Okay. Kapag ka! Holding hands! Lord!
So, yung time na yun, guys, totoo talaga yung pinaprank ako ng aking kabataan na magbigay sila sa akin yan ng ganyan na pabuke, no, na may ilaw-ilaw. So, sa totoo, yung nangyari noon, no, yung nagsapukan ng mga kabataan, ay nano ko talaga yung bata, yung bang pinagalitan ko talaga ng todo, ba't gano'n ang nangyari. Pero pinaprank lang pala nila ako, guys. So yun, reenact ko, pero ang sama ng acting ko. So ano lang yun, parang pinapagawa ko ulit sa kanila. Pero I am so happy because one of my student texted me that, Ma'am, I am sorry for what happened to you. If the chuchu like that, they are not welcoming, something like that. And I was so happy nga there is someone who gives empathy to me, so for what happened. And ganyan talaga yung mga kabataan, no, mag-observe lang sila. So yan, even if worst thing happens, still I'm so thankful because that's life. Hindi lahat talaga ng tao mapiplease mo. Hindi talaga lahat ng tao is karamay mo or what. May mga tao talaga yung bang ewan ko ba kung bakit parang magalit ba or ano ba, may tampo or may samang loob. So hindi ko alam, hindi ko talaga alam kung bakit ganun, kung bakit ganun ang pangyayari. So yun na lang. Pero again, happy ako kung ano man ang nangyari kasi I still believe that God protected me, and God is in my side because I know God loves me, and I know that God is also my best friend. So yan lang, be good and be kind, everyone. Mwah.